Oh, Kevin, move, Kevin.
Is that Derek?
It's Mr. Gatito. Look at this.
Yeah.
Derek.
It is Derek.
What is he doing?
Oh no! No, 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 no.
There's a kid over there.
I know.
Don't go there. Don't go there. Oh my gosh, don't go there.
Okay, he's coming back. Guys, stay back. Stay there. Stay where you are, okay? Mr. Gatito needs to go with us. He gonna be with us for the rest of the day. Not kidding. He gonna be with us for the rest of the day. I wish.
What is he doing? Walking back and forth. He's like, yo, bro. Bro, how much money do you have? I gotta scare the cat.
No, don't touch it. Let's. Bruh, look at this dude. Oh, bruh, look at this dude. Oh my god, he got dirt all over the place. Okay, stay right there. Stay right there, Mr. Cat. Mr. Cat.
Boo!
No! Don't boo him.
He does scared.
I know, but he gonna run away. If it's a bus come, he gonna die. You don't want him dead, right?
No, he's going to scare like a,
No, we're videoing the cat.
like
So we can show.
when someone who's scared of goat.
No, stay back. Stay back. Look at it. Now look at this dude
But he's still alive.
on the bright side.
Wait, he's coming. He's coming. Wait, what's he doing? Wait, what's he doing?
Don't walk it.
Hey, we're videoing it. Boy, come on.
Evan, get out of here.
Stop being a dweeb and let us video that cat. He's not gonna.
Why you cannot?
Cause we don't want to.
It's our boy. It's our boys. It's our boys.
Cause I want to. What?
Go there, please.
Okay, we can say that.